Chris Chinnock for Insight Media. I'm here at CES 2023 at the PepCon event, talking to a company called Synaptics. And their motto here is engineered exceptional experiences. So they got actually three interesting demos here. One of the first one I heard about here is for automotive applications. And so what they have is a chip that goes into, as part of the LCD module panel, that will turn a global dimming display into a zone-based, a local dimming display system. So this is actually very much needed in an automotive application. And of course, you want to eliminate what you can see here on the screen, which is the halo effect when you have a local dimming application. So they showed a demo where they can do some improvements on that. The second thing that's also pretty interesting is this new wireless solution that they have here. And so this is partly based on technology they acquired from Display, I think, a couple of years ago, which is basically an adaptive codec. And it's adaptive in that the codec actually looks at the content that's being displayed. So in this case, it's a static image, and it will render the graphic with one compression ratio and one set of algorithms, and it will go over here to the text, which is actually hard to render with a low compression codec, so it has good sharp edges. Alternatively, if you're trying to wirelessly stream video, then you have to have obviously a continuous stream. So the combination of having adaptive codec and a frame buffer allows the codec to deliver basically different encodes for each of these components. The company also has their own radio, so they can transmit this over Wi-Fi, and they have a virtualized USB that can also be part of this prototype dock solution that allows you to basically connect everything to your port here, and then you have wireless keyboard, wireless mouse, wireless laptop, all in the future perhaps connected to wireless monitors. What they're showing here is actually two 4K 60 monitors running in a very complex Wi-Fi environment here at the PepCon show. I also heard that they have a new partner with this laptop that's going to do a mat charging device, which means you simply put your laptop down on top of this mat, and there's like four contact electrodes on the back to connect to it, so no more plugging your charge port into the side of your laptop. The third innovation they showed over here is for a cell phone. In particular, what they've done here is add a piezoelectric transducer in back of the display. I think this is an LCD. I presume it's an LCD display, and it eliminates the microphone in the phone. And so the audio is actually the piezoelectric is vibrating the glass and creating sound waves. Which is then audible. It's about, I think you said about 7 watts of audio power, which is typical of cell phones today. And what the advantage is, it's coming out of the middle of the phone, so it's much closer to where your ear would be if you're having a conversation, or if you're watching a movie. It's again more conducive for that kind of environment. So that's the story on Synaptics here. Chris Chinnock.